Hey there YouTube, so glad you're back with us at the Mediocre Hunter. I want to share with you an invaluable trick I learned when working on projects that require posts. I found this bracket system on Amazon and I tried a bunch of different products and I settled on this one. This thing is very, very cost effective. It's high value and it allows you to put posts anywhere. Rocky terrain, rooty terrain, and I just built this chicken coop run that I'll show you using this system. And I tried everything in the past from old school digging the holes below the frost line, pouring concrete, and I'm getting too old to do that, so I need these tricks, these workarounds. So if you're thinking about, let's say, building a ground blind, a chicken coop, even putting a mailbox post in, you got to get this system. I'll demo it. Leave your comments, and please, if you like the channel and you like the content, consider subscribing because it helps us out a lot, and we'll keep posting this good stuff. All right, so here's all the equipment that you really need. You got a little level. You got two 2x4 pieces of wood that you don't need anymore, and you're gonna use those to kind of bash that in. The reason why I use these is because if you use a spare piece of the 4x4 to pound that in, sometimes it gets so jammed in there you can't get it out. But this here will give you tons of room. It won't get jammed. You see that? So this is a huge trick. It probably is worth your time watching this video just for this trick. Okay, so all you do is, and I'm picking a rocky area because I'm kind of hoping that we hit some rocks. I just kind of get this started, and I can already feel some rocks right there. Hold it like that, put my 2x4s in, like that. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll tap on this a little bit just to get it going. All right, and I kind of just take a look at it from the side and see if it looks kind of straight. And I put a little level on it, like that for this there. And then this side, I'm gonna come back this way, like that. There you go. I'm gonna start pounding that in. And again, we're not like building complex structures here, so sometimes perfectly level doesn't really matter. You just keep hammering this in. Look at that. And then what I'll do is, if I think it's a little bit off, I'll just kind of straighten it out here a little bit. And then we're gonna take our post, all right, and what often happens is it's a little bit tight, but you just kind of push that in like such. All right, like that. And then we're gonna just pound this in so it's nice and snug. All right, and there she is. Okay, so the final step is to take these little bolts that come with the brackets and then squeeze the bracket closer together, really to tighten up around the post. Although I honestly don't think you really need to for like 99.9% of the projects, but I'm a little bit OCD, so I do it anyway. And for whatever reason, the 4x4 posts I buy are a little bit bigger than the bracket, and it tends to splay it out a little bit. So so sometimes this is a little bit tricky, but usually when you get the first one on, the second one's a little bit easier. And one thing I noticed with that size differential with some of these pressure treated posts is that if you put the last bolt in, it kind of hits the side of the edge of the wood and gets pushed offset so it doesn't make it through the hole. And so all I do then is I just take a little drill bit and I just get that pathway clean. Okay, like that. Get that little piece of wood out of the way. And then this bolt should sit in just nice then. Boom. And there it is. Now this is a small post actually, because I'm kind of just demoing this, but it doesn't matter. You put in whatever size you want. You know, it can be like, 8 feet tall or whatever. But look how stable this thing is. Man, I can't move it. That's awesome. So I hope this is really helpful for you. You got to try this for hunting blinds or like chicken runs or anything that really requires a post, and you'll find your life is going to be so much easier than trying to do it old school.